I was gonna be on the rich nigga list. Told you black ass nigga, quarter meal. Talk to my girl, she a rich nigga bitch. Hold the teacher. Hold up. You not got walking. Y'all got the trip. First class, do back, take a trip. Spend a little bit, stack all the cheddar, bitch, play me. I used to eat her. Fuck niggas, hustle hard, ain't no such thing as luck, nigga.
I like this song, but the intro's real long, so I'm gonna fast forward. The truck was bouncing in the bag, man. That's the big difference. So we went from golds to platinums. Yeah. Is it still the same magical box? Yep, the JJ box. That man, some solid numbers out that box. That box is special for real. Yeah, it was golds before on an 8K, and now it's 4 platinums on an XT 16 by Crossfire, 2 800.4s by Crossfire. There's 4 RS, 6.5 coaxials in the doors, and 4 Resilient Sounds ST1 tweeters in the back. Nice. The tweeters pick up real nice, don't they? Crossover on the amp for those, just in case I ever forgot if I got to reset my battery or something. I didn't want to burn them up, but yeah, they sound really good. But there's an 800.4 on the highs rack, and then 800.4 for the doors and the pillars. 120 amp hours? There's actually 200. There's 120 there, and then another 80 behind those highs. Nice. Well, yeah, that's dope, man. I appreciate the chance. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Keep up the great work, man, dude. I'll see you at the next one. Yes, sir. I can't wait. Award, and then I'm out.